Do, re mi, it's Christmas Day, love me baby do.
Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Ho ho ho! Christmas season is around the corner. I just can't wait to celebrate with loved ones, families and friends. Especially love the Christmas gift exchange session. In my previous video, I quilled 3 different Christmas tree patterns and I promise you beautiful people that I will do another video for some other decorative quilling pattern as well. So today I will include 3 options to let you choose to make. Now follow me through this tutorial. I guarantee you it's a very easy beginner friendly tutorial. So no worries, let's begin. First, let's make a Christmas wreath paper quilling. We need strips with shades of green. Roughly measure how big your wreath will be, then cut it into few strips. It don't need to be neat.
Do, re mi, it's Christmas Day, love me baby do.
Now glue the end together so it forms a loop.
With you baby， 这张 for you 是圣诞节的礼物，记得今晚打扮成为我的迷途。我需要加到我的密度，在冬天来临变成底妆的被褥。
When you're done, just have them randomly arranged.
也会有人陪，叮咛听着旋律搭配，变成我的玫瑰有多珍贵。Write me, it's Christmas Day, love me baby do. Write me, it's Christmas Day with you baby. 闻着你的香味，冬夜你的香水，你的甜美就像对我举起酒杯，踩在水底亲嘴，美妙的快翻滚，每年快来着你享受机会。圣诞夜 ，You stay, you stay.
Don't forget to glue the strips together to fix their shape.
You stay, 圣诞夜 ，You stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 ，You say, you say. Don't write me, it's Christmas Day, love me baby. Don't write me, it's Christmas Day with you baby. 这是一个圣诞节，思念的情绪会让你想半天。以前我也会听一首圣诞节，因为落单的恋人。
Now quill some tight cord to decorate around the Christmas wreath.
给谁？心碎的情节少一片止血。今年我的肚子光在放，圣诞节真的会蔓延。生活像场演不完的电影，有了伴的冬天可以不穿棉衣，贴在他的身边，升温急速飞行。遇到冰天雪地还是依旧泛起涟漪。圣诞夜 ，You stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 ，You stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 ，You stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 ，You say, you say.
Now we need a ribbon.
Love me, baby.
Make some loops for 4 times.
Na 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 na. Na la la la. 不会后悔。Na na na.
Glue the middle part. Then here comes the magic.
Christmas, Merry 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 Christmas, Merry 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 Christmas。
红色番茄搭配红红的线。
Put them on the half-ball moldboard
织裙真亲切，
and press it in to create a pouch.
带着萌萌的笑脸，迎接圣诞气氛笼罩了这一天。
Now for the leaves, fold the strips like a ladder position to create the inner part.
豆豆皮鞋准备与你楼下相见，带着七彩酸甜的糖果和耍酷的配件，我们一起度过美好的圣诞夜。来吧小姐，我们有完整好节，来吧小姐，让快乐围绕在身边。聆听圣诞的钟声带来了喜悦。Merry Christmas to you， 来吧小姐，送你最爱的甜点。来吧小姐，牵手走不转的圈哦，在圣诞树挂上幸福的祈愿。Merry Christmas to you， 我的伙计。
Then, take a new strips, fold some gaps,
圈圈，接下围裙，妈妈露出美丽笑脸，
you can use a slotted tool to curve each gap.
许下了心愿，我们一起度过美好的圣诞夜。来吧小姐，
Glue the parts together and our holly leaf is done.
让快乐围绕在身边哦，聆听圣诞的钟声带来了喜悦。Merry Christmas to you， 来吧小姐，送你最爱的甜点。来吧小姐，牵手走不转的
When we are ready with the parts, just glue it together and we are done.
祈愿。Merry Christmas to you， oh, Merry Christmas to you， oh, Merry Christmas to you， 我的伙计。Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Lastly, let's make a Christmas reindeer ornament.
Bell rock, jingle bells chime.
Cut out a round base,
Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the
then crimp a strip with a crimper to go around the ornament.
time. It's a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix
Merry Christmas.
Now let's quill some tight coils as Rudolph Red-Nose.
Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
And black ones to make the eyes.
Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
For the antler, stick 2 strips together to make it thicker and follow how the steps I fold.
Let's go.
Now it seems a bit empty. How about we add in some bars to decorate it? Here is the part you can improvise freely.
我不应该在雪地里的雪人，现在却等在血迹剩下。我不想错过这个美好时刻，我想给你一个美好的礼物，给你一个美好下手的夜晚，这就是对你最好的 Christmas。With you, shawty with you, with you, shawty with you, with you, I'll never need another. Everyone's got a way to wanna far， 你思考的像秋叶一样火热。我知道我应该和家人一起，现在却等在血迹剩下。千山穿越，圣诞老人今晚到来，驯鹿高高的飞上空中，阿西比玫瑰亮丽 I know， 现在却也等在血迹剩下。With you, shawty with you, with you, shawty with you。
Glue all the parts together and we are done!
Hey girl， 想吃着最新鲜，我跟随自己的心，突然发现一个奇迹。Hey girl，Don't you buy me that way， 因为我已感觉双唇已交接。That you marry me。
Hope you liked today's video. You can tag me on Instagram to show me your version of artwork. For more quilling tutorial video, remember to subscribe my channel, please. Hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. And hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you. Well, how the happy time flies, now it's time to wish you beautiful people Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
一个美好下手的夜晚，这就是对你最好的 Christmas。